That is a must.
Colostrum.
Yeah. I had the three of them, but one of the bull was a bull.
Yes.
I just did away with that. We don't keep bulls here. So he was here. These are they are 2 weeks old. And that's why you can see I have not produced anything, just water.
Just water and milk.
So from Monday, I
Yes.
introduce now the dinner I have shown you.
Yes.
They must
Yes. Right. This is green grass.
yeah.
Like like brown.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Around 70. Is actually
Easy than that one for the
yes.
game. So as you can see, we have no whatever I was telling you. He's growing well without that tummy full of water.
Yes.
Now the calf will start growing, and that's why you see our calves by the age of 12, it is starting to asking for the to be served.
The age of 12
Yeah,
months.
1 year. Old.
1 year,
Yeah.
they start asking to be served.
Yeah.
So this is the
This is the calf meal.
calf milk.
Yeah, we do prepare calf meal. Also, it helps them. They can get the concentrate through the. You cannot mix the grass with the
Yes.
soil, minerals, link, whatever.
Yes.
So we do prepare the dairy meal or the calf meal for the calves. Where we do mix the. As you can see, there are some white particles.
Yes.
This one, that is our mineral link.
Yes.
So we do mix them at a rate of 1 kg. You put 25 grams. Then you mix them with them. For this one, it's always available. But it's when it's the age of 4 months and
Yes.
above, now from there we start serving them 2 kgs. And no, 3 kgs per
3
day.
kgs per day.
1.5 in the morning,
1.5
in the evening,
in the
1.5.
evening.
But
Then
here it's there throughout.
here it's there throughout.
Yeah.
So what is a mixture of this one?
Now this one is a lot of there's canola, there's mutunga, there's
That is maize.
maize.
Maize. There is wheat. Wheat bran.
Wheat bran, there is wheat bran,
Yes.
canola, soya.
Canola is what?
Canola, sorry. Yeah.
Then soya.
Soya.
Then we have
Unga.
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 Okay.
Then minerals.
Then minerals.
Yeah. The concentrate.
The concentrate.
Yeah. That's why you can see.
So these ones go for 70 to 80.
Yeah. Also pure pedingies. Those are those farmers cannot afford this one.
They can go for
this one.
for this. So how old are these ones?
Now you can see most of them are 5 months, 4 months. We also feed them with dairy meal.
Yes.
But during the day, they feed on the hay and napier grass.
And napier grass.
Yeah. But when they are lucky, by the milkers have remained from the silage. Because at 5 p.m. we have to clear to serve them for supper.
Yes.
Whatever they have remained, they are lucky. They get there some bakis.
This is so great. So 1 acre?
That's a 3/4.
3/4 of an acre.
3/4.
So the feed is usually there 24/7.
Yeah, 24/7.
You have the feed. They even eat at night.
Yeah, around 2, you find them studying.
Yes.
Especially the Heifer. It never sleep.
You find them studying and eating.
Yeah. For the
Yeah.
new cars, they are the one, at least they are disciplined. When it's full, they are from 9 months to 14 months. They are ones they are being served.
Yes.
For some of them are just waiting to be confirmed so that they can go to the other section there. Yeah. The cows that we are on the market.
So how much are these ones?
Now, that is one with barrel.
Yes.
So there are those who have already been served.
Yes.
And also that one have not been served.
Yes.
So the price will also vary.
Yes.
Those who have already confirmed the pregnant, the
Yes.
age of the pregnancy also must be confirmed. So
Yes.
the price cannot, it can be.
The price can vary.
Yeah.
But I think you have some estimations. The ranges that can fall in.
The ranges is from 200 to 300.
200 to 300.
Yeah.
Okay. But these are the pedigrees.
Pure
So
pedigree.
how many are whole here?
Yeah. I have a total of 36.
36.
Yeah.
Okay. For the case of silage and how do you balance them? Like now, when you're giving the heifers, or do you give also the?
As you can see, there's no silage here.
There is no silage here. Yes.
For this one,
Yes.
these are already confirmed.
Yes.
They are
Already
pregnant.
confirmed pregnant. Yes.
But at the young age.
Yes.
This one, you can see, they also confirmed
That they are pregnant.
that they are pregnant, but they are all close to maternity.
Yes.
They are 7, 6 months
Pregnant.
old.
Yes.
For this one, 3, 2, but they are confirmed.
Yes.
Now, you can see they are feeding. You cannot
Yes.
give them blood matter.
Yes.
You have to give them silage and daily meal.
Yes.
Because you are stimulated.
Okay.
You are getting
I get it.
if you give this one silage, now unless you have a lot of it in the formation of the silage or whatever, it will cost. But for this one, they are just growing.
It's just
They are-
growing,
yeah,
then
they are
you
growing.
dry it. And
And you see, for the growing matters, especially hay, hormones, they help in the. See, you can see, I don't know about Uganda, you can see an age of this cow.
Yes.
But the stomach
Yeah.
is this size.
It's already grown.
Yeah, because it's
Yes.
being given the grass,
Yes.
silage,
Yes.
and the rumen is not developed.
So
So
majorly,
it head up. You may think it's on pregnancies,
yes.
but it is 8 months old. Now already now that cow, to make it produce milk, you have already spoiled the process. Right? We call it the process.
Yes.
Yeah. So up to age of 14 to 12 months to 14 months, let it have to be fed with the powder and grind.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's why you can see from there. But with this for the Heifer, you can mix. If you can look on that, napier grass. There's a mix of the napier grass.
Yeah, there is napier grass.
Yeah, and the hay.
Yes.
Yeah. If because of also they are also growing,
Yes.
they remain. That's it. After they have consumed the fine one,
Yes.
you clear it.
Yes. You give. I get.
Now, this fresh one.
Yes. Yes.
You fresh.
Then you bring the other one to this one to start on this one.
At least
I get. At what stage do you start feeding these ones, the young ones?
This one.
Mm.
So now this one you are supposed to start introduce them at the age of 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.
You can see, for example, you can do that. The best for the young calves, the best one to produce, we start producing and introduce it to them You can also start with this one, but just to find one, or you cut the green. The
Wait. Let me get some picture here. Oh, this is.
You know, this is more meaningful to animal than this one without the head, because when you produce, this was the green is the one helping in the production of the. Yes, please.
This is the silage.
This is of cut up.
Yes.
You first you touch it in
Yes.
the small size, you mix it with the jar, then you see the hay, the Heifer. You cut it? Yeah. This one is the one the young cows.
So even this one you just plant it,
You can plant it.
or it grows on its own.
You also it's for the self-grown.
Yes, self-grown.
Yeah, but you can also transfer. I planted the one of now for the being fed to the cows.
Yes.
That is the barley. This one is very healthy. This one helps in production of the
This is the barley.
This is the barley. Now, this one, after before he bought a meat one, yeah? These are the kind of there are a variety of the concentrates here. We have maize jam, canola, you can see, canola cake.
That is the canola cake.
Yeah, canola cake, maize jam. Let me show you. The remaining of the maize.
Maize bran.
Yeah.
It's maize bran.
No, this one is maize jam. Maize bran, let me show you.
This is maize jam.
This is maize jam.
Like how do you make it this one?
This one, when we go to apostrophe, and we produce number one, funga number one.
Yes.
So this is the remainder.
Yes.
The remainder after we have produced the maize, this is what.
So this one has some maize and maize bran.
Yeah.
It has a mixture of maize and maize bran.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I do, I try to make it fine by using this one. As you can see, this one.
This is now a product of this.
This one, and I make it fine. This is
smell.
The smell.